If you've ever hit a VPN detected message or got blocked the second you opened a website, this is why. Most VPNs route you through data center IP addresses, and sites recognize those instantly. Let me show you the problem live, and then a different kind of VPN that fixes it. Right now, I'm connected to a normal VPN on a US location. Let's check what a website actually sees. I'll open an IP lookup site, and there it is. It flags me as using a VPN, and the provider shows up as a hosting company, not a real home connection. Now watch what happens on a regular site. I'll open Reddit, logged into my own account, just trying to browse normally, and am blocked. You've been blocked by network security. I haven't done anything unusual, but because my IP looks like a data center, the site shuts the door. So let's fix it. I'll switch to CometVPN's native residential VPN. I tap Location, then the native residential tab, and right away you see the scale. Millions of real residential IPs worldwide. Quick note on one switch, high-end pool. It gives you premium, more stable exits. I'll leave it off, so I've got the full pool to choose from. And look at the coverage here. I can scroll through effectively any country in the world, the big markets plus a lot of smaller ones most VPNs don't offer, and a lot of them go deeper so you can drop into a specific region, and in many cases right down to a city, instead of just landing somewhere in the country. Let's pick the United States. Then the state, something a normal VPN just can't do. Let's go with California, and one level deeper, the city, Belmont, so I get a real residential IP right there. And here's the feature that really sets it apart, the ISP filter. On top of country, state, and city, I can pick the exact internet provider the IP belongs to, straight from the list. That's a level of control you almost never get on a VPN. That's the whole setup. Country, state, city, ISP, connected. Now let's prove it worked. Same IP lookup site as before. And look, it now shows a real internet service provider. The location matches the city I picked, and there's no VPN detected flag. And now the real test. I'll reload that exact same Reddit page, and it loads. Same site, same session, no block. Because now, I look like a normal home user, not a data center. A couple of things about the IP itself. CometVPN keeps it the same for as long as possible, so it stays stable through your session. And whenever you want a fresh residential IP, you rotate it manually in the app. One tap, new address, same location. You control when it changes. So that's native residential. It's part of the full CometVPN app on Android, iOS, Mac, and Windows. You also get a full privacy, no logs, servers outside the 14 eyes, unlimited devices, ongoing security updates, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. And on the regular VPN side, you've got a huge list of countries to connect through all around the world. You can scroll through the full list here, across every region, and a lot of them let you pick a specific location within the country too. So between the two plans, you get a complete everyday VPN and the residential network, all in one app. You can try it free. The trial includes 1 GB of native residential, no card, no expiry. So you can test a real residential IP whenever you want. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment the city you'd want a residential IP in. Thanks for watching.